I'm walking out here to see how everybody's doing, and we're up here at the park digging for shark's teeth. And Hope,
That spot over there is a hole.
Hold it up.
what you got there, Hope?
I have a mammoth tooth, they tell me.
Wow, awesome. Nice, very nice. And how did you find that?
Scooping in the Peace River. Digging deep.
Digging deep. Okay, well, I guess that's what we've got to do. All right, anything you want to say to your friends back home?
I'm having a wonderful time.
No hi, Mom, or anything? All right. There you go. All right, we'll be back